My name is Ladilyn Fahanilan Fahil. I am 19 years old. I am presently taking up Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Food Technology at Batangas State University, main campus to Alangilan, Batangas City. My parents are Landrita F. Fahil, who is a tricycle driver, and Delma Fahil, who is a housewife. I have three sisters named Delijin F. Fahil, who is studying at University of the Philippines, Las Bañas, Laguna, taking up Chemical Engineering. Another is Donalisa F. Fahil, who is studying at Batangas State University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. And Lekame F. Fahil, a grade 6 student who is studying at Batangas City East Elementary School. I know how to cook, I know how to bake, I'm good in skirting, and I'm good in sales talk. My hobbies are reading novels, reading books, reading Wattpad stories, surfing the net, watching TV, cooking, baking, and skirting.